Machan, this is not real Gal Arrack. Let me tell you the real story. Everyone today talks about extra special, the best-selling Arrack in Sri Lanka. Smooth, strong, and the loyal best friend of every reunion, wedding, and payday story. Bottled by the Distilleries Company of Sri Lanka, this iconic drink is known everywhere, from small village bars to big city parties. But the real Gal Arrack, that was something else. Back in 1949, during the Gal Oya Project, a distillery near the Hingurana Sugar Factory began producing arrack from leftover molasses. And that became known as Gal Oya Molasses Arrack, or simply Gal Arrack. It was raw, fiery, and unforgettable. A taste of old Ceylon itself. Sadly, that original Gal Arrack isn't made anymore. What we have today, like extra special, is a refined blend made with coconut toddy, molasses, sugar, and yeast. So next time you raise your glass, remember, you are tasting a legacy. Because behind every sip of arrack, there's a story that began in Gal Oya.
Jolly Carapang